Tama, no? Kasi sa ganitong laro, one possession is very important, especially if that possession can turn into a transition point para sa amin. Pero ganun lang talaga.
How about coach yung kasi how do you plan to address yung mga injuries? Do you plan to recognize Stanley ba? Pakakalaro na or ano mga pupunin?
Hindi, ano pa rin, no? We will have to live with our lineup na ngayon. Kaya yung sila Deo Coahaw, medyo binibigyan namin ng minutes. Sina Josh David, binibigyan namin ng minutes. They will have to contribute. Next man up lang naman. So, we will just have to trust them. Give them confidence para makapag-step up sila.
Yung free turn ni Clarita coach, ano lang yung ano mo dun?
Okay. Okay lang yan. Nangyayari yan. I think importante magmarka sa kanila yon para siguro ayusin nila or pag-practicean pa nila yung weaknesses ng game nila. No? One of them is free throws. So, sa akin kasi, yes, it would have been nice if you had won the game on those free throws. Mag-iiba na yung mag-iiba na yung timpla ng laro pag na-shoot mo yung free throws na yun. Kesa dun sa tabla yung laro and they can just take the winning shot. So, mabuti nakapagpundar na kami ng 8 panalo. So, hindi naman namin masyadong dinaramdam yung importante lang talaga maka 9 wins.
Buhay na ito, oy!